Hi, I'm talking about Madagascar. First, I'll tell you about the chameleons. 50% of our world's chameleons live there, including the giant chameleon and the the small species of chameleon. I forgot the name, but it lives on the leaf litter in Madagascar and eats tiny insects. Now I'll tell you about Madagascar's predators. 8 species of predator live on Madagascar. Did you know that the mouse lemur is actually a species of lemur, yet it's one of the 8 species of predator on Madagascar? Speaking of lemurs, 100% of the world's lemurs live on Madagascar. And that includes the ring-tailed lemur, mouse lemur, the aye-aye, and many more lemurs. Did you know about 6% of the world's frogs live on Madagascar, yet 30,000 species live there? Now I'll tell you about the fish there. Every single native fish on Madagascar only lives there. And most of the species and all the species there are the most endangered species of every fish in the world. Every native fish there is the most endangered species, and animals such as the most famous animals there, such as the lemurs, the fossa, and all, they are the endangered species. Did you know an unknown amount of bugs live on Madagascar? And the amount of snakes is very little compared to how many you would find in nearby countries such as Asia and all those countries like China and stuff. 0% of the world's venomous snakes, boas, orangutans, monkeys, primates, except for people, dogs, cats, and some other animals you will never find native to Madagascar. And speaking of snakes, there's some snakes that are not, although they're not able to hurt you, they're constrictors, although no boa constrictors live there. Some are almost the size of a boa constrictor. But they're mainly small, young size, pretty much. And plus, the biggest bird in the world used to live there, called the elephant bird. Its egg was enough to feed about 20,000 people or something like that, if you made an omelet. That's the size of almost 2 ostrich eggs. And see you later. Learn more of Madagascar. Help protect the species. See you later.